Hi everyone, Vicki here. I'm excited to show you the stunning necklace that I'm wearing today. This go-to piece is simply beautiful. Solid yellow gold round belcher, 50 centimeters in length, and I love that it's New Zealand handmade. It features an 18mm bolt ring clasp. For those of you that struggle with clasp, this is a great option. Easy on those fingers. Wear the clasp to the front. You can pop it to the side, which I love, or to the back. There's also an option to add this Mabe pearl enhancer. Simply just clips on. Have some fun, wear it your way. That's the beauty of jewelry.